Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone cellular data not working or missing from settings. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, so guys first of all update your iPhone and carrier updates. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update here. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So I have the latest version, iOS 17, and also update your carrier setting. So the carrier is up to date. And then after this, the next solution is enable airplane mode and turn it off. Turn on airplane mode and turn it off again. And then after this, the next solution is disable restrictions and VPNs. So for this, go to settings, tap on screen time, scroll down, tap on content and price restriction, tap to turn these restrictions off, and then after this, the next and the last solution is reset network settings. So for this, go to settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode. So simply tap on reset network settings. So guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.